Welcome to part 1 of the web tutorial, The Basics of the Nevada Arts Council Online Grant System. For more picture clarity, we suggest changing your window setting from 360p to 720p. The settings are located in the bottom horizontal bar of your YouTube window. You may also want to expand the window size by clicking on the full screen icon located in the right-hand corner of that same horizontal bar. Part 1 will walk you through the first step of your application, creating a profile and accessing grant guidelines and resources. Begin by opening a new window or tab in your internet browser. Type in nevada.cgweb.org. Once this page has loaded, scroll down. You can change the font size in this left-hand bar. Click on Log In on the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down under New to the Site. Click here to create a new profile. The next page displays Culture Grants Online User Terms and Conditions. After reviewing these, click on Yes, I agree to continue working on your profile. On the profile page, you will need to select whether the profile you are creating is for an individual artist or an organization. Continue by filling in the fields on the page. Begin by typing in your name, phone number, and email address. The red stars indicate required fields. The email you type in will be linked to the profile you create and will be helpful if you forget your password. The email address will also be used in all communication regarding your grant applications, but will not be made public. The same holds true for your address. Near the end of the form, you'll be asked for your congressional, state house, and state district numbers. Click on the VoteSmart link for assistance obtaining this information. Once on the VoteSmart site, enter your zip code, including the 4-digit extension. You'll find your congressional districts and state districts listed in the middle of the page. Once you find the info, you can enter it back on the Culture Grants Online profile that you're working on. If you're creating a profile for an organization, you'll be asked to provide a Dun and Bradstreet number. If your organization doesn't yet have one, click on www.artsusa.org to get one. Note that a DUNS number assignment is free for all businesses required to register with the U.S. federal government for grants. Disregard the info on the ArtUSA page, as you can obtain a DUNS number instantly and at no cost by following the Dun & Bradstreet web link they provide. Once you have your number, go back to the Cultural Grants Online website and complete your profile. When you have completed all of the fields, click on the Submit button located on the right-hand side of the page. You'll get a notice at the top of the page letting you know that your profile was successfully added. You can go back and edit or revise the profile information you entered on this main page or home page by clicking on the Edit Profile button in the left-hand side of the page. You can make your changes and then click on Update to save them. You can also access available grants by clicking on the Current Programs and Applications button, also located on the left-hand side of the page. Once on the Active Program page, scroll down. Look for a Start Application link text indicating that a grant category is open and accepting applications. Like this. You can also come back to this page when you want to edit a grant in progress or review it before submitting. Also, in the left-hand side of the page, you'll find a button for the NAC grant guidelines. On this page, you can find guidelines for each of the grant categories, as well as a guide to preparing supplemental materials. Click on the Grant Resources button, which will take you to resource links such as grant writing tips, a guide to preparing an artist's resume, and the criteria and scoring rubric for grant applications. By clicking on the General Policies button, you can review the Nevada Arts Council's general policies and legal requirements. Whenever you are done working, you can log out from your profile by using this Log Out button on the left-hand side of your screen. This concludes part 1 of the web tutorial on the basics of the Nevada Arts Council online grant system.